Okay, so here it is, the ultimate and super rare Baltimore and Ohio Cincinatian brass loco. I looked for about 4 years to find this loco. They're just amazingly rare. And I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for the carriages to show up, and they just never have. So I decided I'm going to let it go. This was absolutely brand new, mint in the box. I'll just grab the box here. There's the original. Now what I did was I had professional DCC and sound installed into this Loksound decoder. It's actually got two decoders in it, one for the tender and one for the loco, so we can get it really nice. So I'll arc it up. She's had the microtrains coupler fitted at the back as well. Real good sound to this one. And it runs really well too. I've had the headlight fitted, of course. It's a warm LED as well. The guy who did this did a really good job of fitting it. That's a really good sound. Yes, the track's a bit dirty, but that's okay. Speaker up. There you have it. Yes, I should probably clean my track a little bit more than what I do. But there you go.